I think that there's a lot of challenges with the current treatment options for Gorlin syndrome patients.
I'm very nervous that there might not be a good enough treatment in the future.
The ideal treatment would be one that can be easily delivered into the skin in a way that is painless and has a very low side effect profile that has a very high likelihood of killing the tumor. In general, in medicine, every single treatment that we have is because we did a clinical trial. By the time we test it on patients, we kind of have an inkling that it's going to work. It allows patients to get access to a treatment that otherwise they wouldn't get access to until it gets approved. There's not a ton of people who have Gorlin syndrome, right? We have these drugs that we think might work, but we need Gorlin's patients to test them on. And if we don't have these patients sign up, we're never going to know if they're helpful or not.
You humanize it, right? Data's only numbers until a human comes in and makes it something. And so we need humans to come in and try these things in a safe environment.
What's challenging as a patient is that the unknown is very scary. You always check for safety first before you check for efficacy, meaning is it safe for me to give this to the patient? Before we actually even test, does this medicine work or not? I think patients, number one, are worried about not receiving standard of care, right? Like, if I participate in a trial, am I going to be prevented from getting the care that I need? That's never gonna happen, right? Because as a physician, I am bound by my oath to do what's best for the patient. If I see a cancer progressing, I'm gonna be like, you need to drop out of the trial.
My hope would be that in 20 years, in 25 years, that need isn't there, but that does require clinical trials to happen right now so that kids that are 3, kids that are 2, kids that are 10 have better treatment options.
We need to be taking steps to make it easier on younger generations.
My gratitude is endless, and I hope people see the upside is greater than the risk for clinical trial participation. Participation in clinical trials is what gives my son the opportunity to live without the worry of basal cells for the rest of his life.